up everyone, how you doing? I'm on a motorbike taxi in Mactan, precisely in Maribagdo. What's the name of this area? Marigado? Maribago, yeah, I'm in Maribago. I take this motorbike taxi because it's quicker to get by, and fresh breeze, you know, fresh air, all the way to Cebu city center, to where I'm staying. This guy's been extra careful. Check out this road. Too much traffic, my friend. Even with a scooter, you're stuck in traffic here. Show 'em who's boss, my friend. It's actually, you could actually rent a bike, but on my luck, he didn't have any. Hi! Go! So still easier to get by taxi, and it's quicker and it's nicer. Cheaper than a taxi. But remember, you have to bargain, always have to haggle. Traffic in Mactan. Promise you guys, it's very much fun, but definitely not for the faint-hearted. Although he's very calm. I came with one, he was mad driver. I will show you the bridge we cross. You have to cross my bridge from Mactan to Cebu. There's 3 bridges, isn't it? 3 bridges connecting Mactan with Cebu, yeah? 2 bridges, yeah, 2 bridges, apologies. We're gonna pass the old one or the new one?
New.
Okay, we're gonna pass the new one.
New. Pass.
We will pass the new one, yeah? Okay. Maybe he wants to race. Off we go. So now we're crossing the new bridge. Can you see how much bike behind us? That's another bridge that connects it. bridge, my friend. This is
Yeah.
old, that's new. Yeah.
Only two.
Yes.
Three.
Three, yeah, you see, I know there's three bridges. This guy is giving me misleading information. But that's a third one. And that's the port down there. I hope you can hear me. Because of the wind, hopefully it's okay. This is where some people live, guys. Now mainland Cebu. This is just a short video, guys. Motorbike taxi. See you later.